Hi everybody. Oh my goodness. This is our last writing lesson. I know you feel like you've been climbing the mountain. Well, I'm right there with you. So we made it, okay? I just want to go over a few things with you about your final copy booklet, your expert booklet, okay? So this lesson is called The Power of You because it's all about you now, finishing it up here. So our Slice of Summer again, the reminder, we will share our expert books in a Zoom meeting together, Mr. Fields' whole class and my whole class at 1 o'clock on Tuesday, and the Zoom codes will be emailed to you. So just remember, it might not be the day, the same day that you're used to meeting, next Tuesday. Fine tune that final copy, get ready. All right, I promised you that we would talk about what's the dedication page, all right? And this was Jay Lynn's, who wrote about dogs, and she dedicated her book to her dog, Fancy. So a dedication page is just, you'll see you have a blank page for it in your booklet. It is where you just decide someone that's very special to you or that has helped you or that is meaningful to you, or it could even be a pet, you dedicate your writing to them, okay? And then at the very back, you have the author bio page. That's you. You are the author. So just write a little paragraph about yourself. This one, they introduced Jay Lynn, says she's a student of Pembroke Elementary, and it talks about things she likes and the dog and stuff. So make sure that whatever you write about, it's about you, your interest, your things you like to do outside, whatever it is. Ooh, that's bright. Okay, so the overall flow, this is just a check. When you're thinking about the end of your book, you want to look back. Did you have that introduction that we talked about? Either a little micro story or just a nice paragraph on the very first page introducing your topic. In the middle, did you give lots of details? You stuck with the topic on the chapter? You elaborated, that meant filled the pages or filled all the lines, excuse me. And then at the ending, did you remind readers about your topic and why it was so cool or worth reading about? It's all about how you want to put your own spin on it, okay? Celebrations! We are near the end. And in Zoom, we'll be celebrating together. And wow, next week's the last week. Who knew we could do distance learning? But we did it. And there's so much that we've all learned together that we really aren't even aware of ways we grew and changed. So we have to notice our own growth as writers, okay? So I want you to look back through the rough draft. You're finishing the final, but look at all the work you did to get there. It's pretty amazing. You've done so much, and now you're on the home stretch of the final copy. Notice the changes that you made and why you made them. And read your own final copy from the start to the finish. I think you're going to be impressed with the quality of your work. And if you find some areas where you're like, I need some more, add to it. That's okay. Writers learn style, that means the flair, from themselves and others. You know what you like to read or what's interesting to you. Something I want you to think about that goes beyond this booklet is just who do you admire as a writer? What are your favorite books? How are those books set up? Flashbacks, flash forwards, different characters, where different points of view. What is it that makes you like them? And if it's fact books, is it the way they do the pictures, the captions, the different ways they've organized chapters? What do you like about those books? Why are they important to you? Okay, here's our slice of summer again. Just a reminder, next Tuesday. Here's one of my most favorite sayings that I had hanging in the classroom kind of over by my desk. Here, look at all that stack of writing there. Wow, that's a lot of writing. So by now you've had a chance to read it. One of my favorites is, write like a reader and read like a writer. Two sides of a coin. And just notice what you like to read, how things are put together, and then also when you're reading, think about how things are put together. Whee! They're happy! All right, I will see you Tuesday. And remember, I'll send a Zoom code via email, and it is on Tuesday, so it might be different than your usual day. There they are, all the balloons. Okay, we'll see you Tuesday. Bye, guys.